Welcome to CodeQuest. In this session, we are going to learn about jQuery effects, fadeToggle, and fadeTo. For that, I have initially written jQuery toggle in heading, a paragraph. The paragraph will fade in and out when you click on the button below. A paragraph and a button with a toggle paragraph, and the ID is toggle button. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm writing the jQuery code, and what is my expectation is when I hit on the toggle paragraph button, the p tag should be faded out. Okay, fade toggle. Okay, that is my expectation. Now, without doing any late, now let us write our code in the jQuery. Okay, for initially we have to write document dot ready function. Okay, after the document dot ready function, we have to write our effect, which is toggle button. Okay, already it is suggesting what to write. Now what I'm writing is button, which is already written here. ID toggle button. What have to be done when I click on the function? So what is that function? Click function. Okay, when I click on that function, what need to be done? What is my expectation is when I click on that function, the paragraph. What is the idea for the paragraph? I have written para as the ID for my paragraph. You can write whatever you want. What should happen to the paragraph? It should be fade toggle. That was my expectation. That is what I have written here. Okay, now I'm going to run this. It is loading here. Here it is not working. Let us see why. Here I have written the small t instead of a capital. It should be in the camel case. Okay, I saved it, and I'm going to run this. This is how fade toggle works. Okay, now let us see how fadeTo works. Okay, for that we have to write fadeTo and the animation effects, whatever you want. What does fadeTo means? FadeTo means nothing up to how the fade effect should work. Okay, I have written, see, this is how fadeTo works. Okay, I hope you understand this fade function. If you understand the session, please like and subscribe to my channel CodeQuest. Thank you.